Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we have a lot of animals. Are you ready, toddlers? Let's learn their names one by one. The first one is a peacock. This is a peacock. The next one is a sheep. This is a sheep. This is a camel. This is a camel. This is a panda. P is for panda. This is a rhino. This is a rhino. This is a parrot. This is a parrot. This is a deer. This is a deer. This is a rooster. A rooster. This is a giraffe. A giraffe. This is a leopard. This is a kangaroo. This is a lioness. This is a cow. This is a cow.